Hi, myself Gautam Kumar. I am from Mentorship College of Engineering from the subject Automata Theory and Compiled Designing. Today, we're going to be discussing about context-free grammar. First, let us look into the contents. First, we'll start with the introduction and components of content-free grammar and examples of content-free grammar, phases with content-free grammar, ambiguous in content-free grammar, content-free grammar in natural language processing and applications, limitations and extensions, and we'll end with conclusion. First, let us look into the introduction. Introduction to context-free grammar. Context-free grammar is a formal grammar defined by a set of production of rules used to generally string in a formal language. It is a commonly used in computer science, literature, artificial intelligence for phrasing and analyzing structure of languages. Context-free grammars are characterized by their normal non-terminal symbols, terminal symbols, product rules, and start symbols. Now let's look into the what is components of content-free grammar. Non-terminal symbols represent the static categories like nouns, verbs, and adjectives. Terminal symbols are actually words or symbols in language. Production rules are defined as how non-terminal symbols can be replaced with sequence of terminal or non-terminal symbols. Now let us look into an example of content-free grammar. An example for content-free grammar from arithmetic expression where E is connected to E plus E or it belongs to E, and we can represent as E or E of all is the number which is integer. Now let us look into phase with content-free grammar. Phase of processing of analyzing a string of symbols based on the rule of grammar. Top-down pushing phasing starts from the start symbol and tries to deliver an input string. Bottom-up phasing starts from the input string and tries to build up to the start symbol. Now let's look into the ambiguous in content-free grammar. Ambiguous occurs when a grammar can generate multiple phases trees from a same input. Ambiguous can lead to the phase errors and differentiates in understanding in individual meaning of sentences. Ambiguous in content-free grammars can be resolved by restructuring the grammar or adding these ambiguous rules. Now let us look into the content-free grammar in natural languages processing. Content-free grammar are used in natural language processing for synthetic analyzing and phrasing of sentences. They help in identifying the grammarly structure of sentence and extending the meaning of the text. Context-free grammars are often used are basic from more complex phases models in natural language processing. Now let's look into the applications of content-free grammar. Content-free grammars are used in programming language for syntax analyzing and complex designing. They are used in speech recognition systems for analyzing spoken languages. Content-free grammars are also used in machine translation system for understanding and generating translation between languages. Now let us look into the limitations or disadvantages of content-free grammar. Content-free grammar cannot handle certain type of language with complex syntactic structure. They are limited in their abilities to capture depart in that requirement of content beyond fixed number of symbols. Content-free grammars are not suitable for modeling languages with cross-scenario independence or certain types of long-distance dependence. Now let us look into the extensions of content-free grammar. Extensions content-free grammar CEFGs allows the additional feature like constraints on using of content-free rules, tree adjoint grammar tag, and a dividing phase of grammar are extensions that addresses some of the limitations of content-free grammar. Probability context-free grammar PCFGs assisting in probability to prediction to capability the likelihood of different phases of tree. Now we see the conclusion of topic. Content-free grammars are fundamental concept in formal language theory and computerized languages. They provide a structured way to describe the syntax of language and are used in various applications in computer science and languagery. Understanding the content-free grammars is essential for anyone working with phrases, language processing, and formal language theory. And this is for all this video. Thank you.